Ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? Now imagine what NASA scientists felt when they discovered things out there that break every law of nature we thought we understood. Things so terrifying, they questioned whether we should have ever looked in the first place. Today, we're diving into NASA's most horrifying discoveries in deep space. And trust me, some of these will keep you up at night. Before we head into the cosmic abyss, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming. All right, let's begin. In 2020, NASA received a signal from Voyager 2, over 11 billion miles away in interstellar space. But it wasn't the routine data they expected. The transmission contained structured sequences, patterns no one could explain. Voyager 2 has been sending clean, predictable data since 1977. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, the probe began transmitting patterns that looked intentional. Not noise, not a malfunction. Intentional. When the Deep Space Network decoded the signal, they found mathematical intervals following the golden ratio, fractal patterns, and what looked like topological maps of electromagnetic fields. Information Voyager shouldn't have been able to detect, let alone transmit. And here's where it gets chilling. The strange signal only appeared when Voyager crossed the heliopause, the boundary where our sun's influence ends. Something out there responded to Voyager's presence. Some scientists think it might be a naturally existing electromagnetic consciousness, intelligence woven into space itself. And remember, Voyager carried the golden record, Earth's message to the universe. Whatever responded examined our message and replied not with words, but with a demonstration of its own existence. NASA had to choose, respond or stay silent. They chose silence. Because if something that vast noticed us once, getting its attention again might not be wise. This wasn't first contact the way we imagined it. It was a whisper from an intelligence beyond form, beyond biology, beyond anything we can comprehend. Discovery. 2. The dark matter. Dominance. Think you know what the universe is made of? Stars, planets, dust? NASA research showed something terrifying. 95% of the universe is made of things we can't see, touch, or understand. Dark matter and dark energy make up nearly everything. We only know they exist because of gravity. It's like living in a house where 95% of the rooms are invisible, and you have no idea what's inside. Here's the nightmare fuel. Dark matter passes through you right now. Billions of particles every second. You feel nothing. It's everywhere, holding galaxies together, yet completely invisible. Some NASA scientists think dark matter could operate under physics we don't understand. Maybe even host forms of life, or intelligence, living in dimensions we can't perceive. We're like blind creatures on the ocean floor, unaware of the massive ecosystem above us. And the most disturbing question, if dark matter interacts with normal matter through gravity, what else can it do? And if something lives within it, has it been watching us all along? That's the end of part 1. If you want more, hit subscribe and stay tuned, because part 2 is coming and it's even crazier.